The electrification of commercial vehicles is not only an opportunity for a cleaner fleet, but also for a more modern one. Trucks with more power, that are quieter and more maneuverable, and make for an easier day. But above all else, it must first do what's expected of it, to complete the routes, haul the heavy loads, and be reliable for years to come. These were the ideas that drove the design of the new Workhorse W56 step van.
If you look at the architecture of the chassis, it is a straight frame chassis. It has a beam axle in the front on leaf springs. It has a live axle in the back, propulsion system in the back, also on leaf springs. The thing that's different for us is that we have developed that package around what our battery package needs to look like and an overall vehicle package. It is a very conventional architecture that incorporates the technology of the components that we need.
This robust design sets the W56 apart from other commercial EVs. Even at the full payload of 10,000 pounds, the 150 miles of range is more than enough to cover the vast majority of duty cycles in its class, with the compact, state-of-the-art e-axle delivering a whopping 760 pound-feet of peak torque, enough power to tackle even the toughest routes.
It's really about understanding what the work truck is having to do and developing it so it does its best job for what people are using it for. We are doing durability work, we're doing brake development work, we're doing cooling work, we're doing ride and handling work. Not a lot of people in this space have gone through that level of testing.
The choice to use a high-voltage powertrain enables the W56 with consistently high performance, extending component life, reducing charging time, and decreasing the weight and space of the cabling. Level 2 charging can power up the 210 kWh LFP battery packs in as little as 12 hours. DC fast charging can do the job in about 3. And a dedicated thermal management system helps ensure optimal charging and performance in extreme temperatures.
We know there are different applications, whether people are just carrying boxes, whether they are carrying garments, whether they are carrying a variety of different things. So what we tried to do was make sure that we understood the different types of applications and maximize the flexibility.
The walls of the W56 use lightweight composites and aluminum extrusions, providing strength and durability where needed, and weight savings where it can be afforded. Rivet-free, potential leak points are eliminated, and surfaces are smooth. The spacious cargo area features a semi-transparent ceiling for extra ambient light during the day, and LED lighting when needed. Cargo walls are specially equipped to support a variety of industry-standard shelving configurations. But the real workhorses of last-mile delivery are those behind the wheel.
Our very first interaction in defining the product was based upon interviews with people actually using them. What matters? What makes your day? What do you like? What do you hate? Because we're going to build a vehicle from the ground up, and we want to satisfy you.
A legacy 3-step van can mean 1,200 driver steps a day. The lower step height of the W56 floor reduces that by up to a third, helped too by the fact that the cab floor and cargo area are the same height. And with no engine up front, downward and lateral visibility are greatly improved, as is the turning radius, which comes in at 22.5 feet. The 3-camera perimeter system with proximity alerts further enhances maneuverability at the dock or on the road, and engine-free means a much quieter cabin, which was designed for optimal comfort, with easy-to-reach controls and plenty of space for personal items. The fully adjustable driver's seat features lumbar and height adjustment, and plenty of travel length to accommodate drivers of all sizes. Comfort is further enhanced by pedal placement, designed to reduce leg and heel fatigue. Highly integrated regenerative braking provides strong driver control and maximum energy recapture to extend vehicle range while reducing brake wear. And every W56 is connected via the Workhorse telematics system, which provides real-time location, battery state of charge, and route history metrics to help optimize fleet performance. Built by a quality-driven team at our 400,000 square foot state-of-the-art production facility in Union City, Indiana, the W56 delivers all the leap-forward benefits of a modern commercial electric truck without asking you to compromise on what you need from it most.
It's leveraging the fact that we're developing this ground up, and it's bespoke, and it's to our design, and consequently we think it's the best solution out there, and again includes functionality in all of the wide-ranging environments that it'll actually operate in.
And for greater customization, the strip chassis version of the W56 brings rugged, ground-up EV capabilities to a wider variety of work truck applications. To learn more and find a dealer near you, visit Workhorse.com.